Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales tax in Missouri. First, you need to register your business with the Missouri Department of Revenue. This step is crucial for obtaining your sales tax license. Once registered, you'll be assigned a filing frequency, which could be monthly, quarterly, or even annually, depending on your expected sales volume. It's essential to keep meticulous records of all your sales and the sales tax you collect. This ensures accuracy when it's time to file. Once registered, your next step is to correctly collect sales tax. The rate varies by location within Missouri, so ensure you're charging the right amount based on your customer's address. At the end of your reporting period, you'll need to calculate the total sales tax due. Remember to separate your taxable sales from any non-taxable transactions. This careful distinction is vital for accurate reporting and avoiding discrepancies. When it's time to file, you'll typically use the Missouri Department of Revenue's online filing system. This platform makes the process straightforward. You'll input your total taxable sales and the corresponding sales tax amounts you've collected during the reporting period. Before hitting submit, always take a moment to thoroughly review your return. Double-checking for any potential errors can save you time and hassle later on. Finally, ensure your sales tax payment is submitted by the due date. Missing this deadline can result in penalties, so mark your calendar. It's also wise to maintain organized records for at least 3 years. This is crucial for any potential audits. And hey, while you're taking care of business, why not treat yourself? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.